Comfort is ruining your life, not pain, not failure, not other people. Comfort. Because comfort is the nicest prison ever built. It doesn't feel like bars. It feels like a couch, a screen, a warm excuse. And by the time you realize you're trapped, years are gone. Most people think they have a motivation problem. They don't. They have a comfort problem. They've been trained, conditioned, sedated to choose what feels good now over what builds something real later. And the modern world is designed for this. Everything is easier, faster, softer. Food arrives instantly. Entertainment never ends. Distraction is everywhere. You don't even have to feel boredom anymore. But boredom is where growth starts. Comfort is not rest. Comfort is sedation. Rest is earned. Rest restores. Comfort just distracts. Comfort keeps you asleep. Comfort is a trap because it doesn't punish you immediately. That's what makes it deadly. If you touch a stove, you learn fast. If you jump off a roof, gravity teaches you. But comfort kills you slowly, quietly. It kills you in a way that feels harmless. Comfort whispers, "You deserve a break. One more day won't matter. Start tomorrow." And tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year. Suddenly, you're standing in the same place, older, weaker, still waiting for your life to begin. Comfort doesn't destroy you with violence. It destroys you with permission. Here's what people don't understand. Comfort is not the reward. Comfort is the enemy dressed like peace, because comfort doesn't ask, "What kind of person do you want to become?" Comfort only asks, "What would feel easiest right now?" And if you obey that question long enough, you shrink. Comfort is an addiction, and like all addictions, it grows. The first dose is small. Skip the gym once, scroll a little longer. Take the easy way, sleep in. Avoid the hard conversation, but then your brain adjusts. Soon you need more comfort, more ease, more avoidance. And discomfort starts to feel unbearable. Work feels unbearable. Silence feels unbearable. Effort feels unbearable. You start to resent anything difficult. You start to fear the things that would save you. That's the trap. The more comfort you consume, the weaker you become, until you can't do hard things anymore, not because you're broken, because you've been softened. And softness is not kindness. Softness is weakness disguised as self-care. Here's the truth no one wants to hear. A meaningful life costs discomfort. Every strong body costs discomfort. Every skill costs discomfort. Every real relationship costs discomfort. Every dream costs discomfort. There is no version of your life where you become something real without suffering a little. You cannot become exceptional. While living like comfort is your God, comfort is not neutral. Comfort is a tax, and you pay it with your potential. Look around. Most people are not destroyed by tragedy. They are destroyed by ease. They are destroyed by food that never ends, entertainment that never stops, pleasure without effort. They never hit rock bottom. They just slowly sink. Your brain worships comfort for one reason: survival. Your mind is ancient. It doesn't care about your goals. It doesn't care about greatness. It cares about safety. And safety means don't take risks. Don't exert energy. Don't step into discomfort, so it will sabotage you with very reasonable thoughts. This is too hard. You're tired. You can do it later. Who do you think you are? But those thoughts are not truth. They are survival programming, and survival programming makes you average, because average is safe. Your brain would rather you be comfortable than free. It would rather you stay small then evolve. Because evolution is painful, growth is painful, discipline is painful. But pain is not the problem. Pain is the price. The people who win in life are not the most gifted. They are not the luckiest. They are the ones who can do hard things on purpose. They choose discomfort like medicine. They train when they don't feel like it. They work when no one is watching. They sit in silence instead of escaping. They build strength in private. They understand something simple. Comfort is the enemy. Discomfort is the doorway. Discomfort is where confidence is built. Discomfort is where pride is built. Discomfort is where identity is forged. You don't find yourself in comfort. You lose yourself there. So here is the question. Where is comfort ruining your life right now? What are you addicted to? What easy thing are you choosing that is silently stealing your future? Is it the phone? Is it the excuses? Is it the endless postponing? Is it the version of you that keeps saying, "Not yet," because your life does not change when you feel ready. It changes the moment you step into discomfort, not tomorrow, today. Do one hard thing, one uncomfortable action. Make the call, do the workout, write the page, tell the truth, say no, and you break the spell. Comfort is a trap. Escape it. If this resonated, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's continue the journey together in the next video. Cold fire theory. Pain is the match. Discipline is the fire.